Welcome back to HBRV Lifestyle. This is your Honey Badger with another classy motorhome walkthrough, giving it to you straight in the RV business as usual. I do have an announcement before I get talking, and that is I got asked a couple of questions over social media and over email. How can we support your channel financially? I don't have a donation center, but what you can do is I discovered Mountain Directory, a guide for truckers, RV, and motorhome drivers. I'm going to put that link in the description box below. Every time you click and maybe make a purchase, I actually do get a small commission on it. So if you want to check that out, that'll actually be in the description box, and I'll actually pin it to the comments section as well. So Nexus Motorhomes, the Nexus Triumph. Immediately I want to tell you that this is the first unit I've ran into in a while that does not do any wood construction in the sidewalls or the roof. They do all steel. So that sets them apart. The other thing that sets them apart is the width of the cabinets on the overhead. You can actually fit a full pot or a full pan. Now I'm not talking about a large size one you would make spaghetti in or a big batch of noodles or chicken. I'm talking about a standard size pot or pan will fit in there, as well as large plates. And because they put them on a shock going upward. Sorry, I just got over a cold, so I'm really blabbered mouth today. It makes it easier to fit things in and out, and you don't feel like you're banging against anything. They give you plenty of counter space. They give you no oven, but they do give you a 3-burner stove. Give you pantry space, lots of closet space, a walk-around queen bed. At the end of the day, they build a really cookie-cutter looking unit. And what I mean by cookie-cutter is this floor plan has been done over and over again by several manufacturers, from Thor to Jayco, Forest River, Tiffin. Almost everybody does this floor plan. Where they do it right, though, is they give you that good construction unit, and then at the same time, they're giving you as much living quality storage as far as for clothing. And then later, as we get to the bathroom, your linen closet space. Now, in this particular floor plan, you're not quite a walk-around queen bed. You're as close to it as you can get without putting a slide out in there. And I mean, you still have the nightstands on each side, so you can get in and out of the bed without crawling over each other. Inside this bathroom, they give you a lot of counter space for toothbrushes, toothpaste, things of that nature. A fairly large shower. And plenty of, like I told you earlier, linen space for your towels, your sheets, your blankets. I didn't open up both or give you a look at both pretty well, but I try to keep these under 5 minutes. Now the toilet is raised up off the floor. Hey guys, you know why that is, especially for tall dudes. And then what I did was I took another couple of shots because my hand's been really shaky lately. And I want to give you some shots of the cabinetry and the TV, give you some looks from different angles. So that's what the next bit is going to be. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And, you know, if you have any requests for any floor plans or brands you'd like me to film or do a review on, leave that in the comments section. And if you want to see more motorhome walkthroughs, I put together a playlist of the ones I've done that are used and new. And those are going to be in the top right-hand corner of the ending of this video. Just click on that, it'll take you to the playlist. Thank you so much, guys, and happy spring. Hopefully everybody's having fun camping.